Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Voice Changer in Discord. All right, let's begin. To use a voice changer in Discord, start by opening an internet browser. In the search bar, type Clownfish Voice Changer and open the official website, clownfishvoicechanger.com. From the top menu, click Download, then scroll down and select the 62-bit version. Open the downloaded file and follow the installation steps. Click Next through the setup and press Install, then finish the installation. After installing, open the Start menu, search for Clownfish, and launch it. Check the system tray in the bottom right, right-click on Clownfish, and open Setup. Select System Integration and make sure Clownfish is installed on the correct microphone. If the wrong microphone is selected, remove it and install it on the correct one. Now, open Discord and click User Settings in the bottom left. Go to Voice and Video and set the input device to the same microphone used in Clownfish. Close Settings and return to Clownfish. Choose a voice filter, such as pitch change, and start speaking. The effect will apply automatically. So that's basically how you can use Voice Changer in Discord. That's it for this video. Thanks.